Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this lacy pattern. This is the back side of the work and front side. For the pattern we need to have multiple of 5 plus 2. Let's get started. I'm going to do it with another color to be more visible. We are going to start row 1 by take the first one, then I skip 2 stitches, then next 2 we are going to just pull together, yarn over and pull 1 stitch like that. We repeat again by slip 2 stitches, then pull 2 together, yarn over and pull 1. We repeat until the end of the row. And the last stitch we just do it as a edge. Row 2, what we have to do, we are going to pull all stitches like that. Just pull all stitches until the end of the row. And I'm going to show you something. As I told you, this pattern is multiple of 5 plus 2. It should be 10 rows repeat. From now on, the even rows like 2, 4, 6, 8, we are going to pull all stitches, and the pattern is gonna be in that rows, odd rows 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 is gonna be pattern, and these rows is gonna be just pull. I'll be back when I finish that row. Now I am in row 3. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one, then slip only 1 stitch and then pull together. Always when it comes in that stitch, it means that you have to yarn over and pull 1. Always in the middle. This is the repeat of the pattern. For this model, the only difference is from the front side in the beginning and at the end is different, but always in the middle is the same. It means that we are going to slip 2 stitches, pull together. Always when it comes in that stitch, it means that we have to yarn over and pull. We keep continue the pattern until the end of the row. Yarn over and pull 1. In row 3 we are going to have 1 left in that part. What we have to do, just we are going to slip that one and make the edge like that. I'm going to knit row 4 and I'll be back. Row 5, we take the first one. When it comes to that part, just we are going to pull together. As I told you, now it's time to yarn over and pull 1. Repeat the pattern until the end of the row. In row 5, as you can see, I have only 2 left. Just we are going to slip these 2 stitches and the one at the end. I'm going to knit row 6 and I'll be back. Row 7. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one, then pull 2 stitches with 1 and 2. Now it's time to repeat the pattern again by slip 2, pull 2 stitches, yarn over and pull 1, 1, 2, as you can see here, now I have 3 stitches. I'm going to slip 2 stitches and then the last one I'm going to pull and edge. I'm going to knit row 8, I'll be back. Row 9. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one and pull the next stitch. Then it's time to repeat the pattern again by slip 2, pull together, yarn over and just repeat like row 1. As I told you, only from the beginning and at the end we are going to have different pattern, but in the middle always they are the same. If you can see here, now I have 4 stitches. What I have to do, we are going to do it like this. Knit 2. When it comes to here, I'm going to yarn over and then the last stitch as an edge. This is at the end of row 9. If you knit row 10 like a normal, as I told you, you have to pull all stitches. You are going to finish that rows, and this is gonna be row 11 times to start the pattern again, like row 1 to 10 to start new. Just let me finish this row to show you how the pattern looks like. As you can see here, the pattern finished in 10 rows. As you can see, it starts from here and comes to the other side. And also, if you can see here, I have again 5, 5 and 5 stitch plus 2, 4 edges. If you repeat row 1 to row 10, after a few rows, the pattern should look like that. This is front side and back side of the work. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.